Hey lovelies, so today I want to talk about a testnet project. They kind of have their own dashboard. It is not a Telegram Airdrop project, it's a testnet project. It's called Interlinks. And whether you're using an iOS device or an Android device, you can just come to your App Store or your Play Store and you download the app. Now you need a referral code or referral link to do this. Now, I'm using a referral link of one of my Telegram subscribers. So I clicked on the link, it directed me to my App Store, my Play Store, and I downloaded the app. I'm going to walk you through the process. Now, this is one project that you don't need to play with. Like I told you, this is not a Telegram project whereby people will be begging you to join. No, testnet projects, the pin projects, and the likes are projects that you don't need anyone to beg you or push you to join. So you click on this place that shows open, and it takes you to the app just like this. If you're new to my vlog channel, welcome. Thank you so much for your support. My name is Susan. This is where I share everything crypto trading. I hunt for good airdrop projects. I also share my no-fail recipes and cakes, small chops, food tray, commercial drinks, and so much more from time to time. I also share how to earn money on the side while you're waiting for that particular job offer. That channel you want to subscribe. So to ask you to allow Interlink network to send a notification, just click on allow, and then you're going to come here and you're going to click on get started. Now I want to warn you that you need to use your correct details when you are signing up on this dashboard. Yes, you need to use your correct details. So you click on get started here, then it will ask you to generate an ID. You need to create your own ID. So you click on this particular tab here and it generates this ID for you. So you want to copy this and keep for later. You want to just copy it and keep for later. Then once you've done that, you just come down here and you click on this continue. If you have been watching my video for this long, I am not taking it upon yourself to subscribe. Please do me a very big favor and subscribe, please. So then it asks to sign in with your face. Your key is now your password. Just scan and get started. So here I'm going to create a 6-digit passcode and I'm going to get back to the video. So it asks you to write the passcode and you have to repeat it again just to confirm. Then ask you what mode you want to use to sign up. You can do scan by your face, sign up by Telegram or your Gmail. I would advise you to go with the scan with the face. Then you scan your face and you're going to see this now. So make sure your face is in the frame. Move your face as instructed. Do not wear glasses or a mask while doing this. Make sure you do it in a well lit area. So let me remove my glasses because that's going to be the next stage now. So once you've done all met of those criteria, so come down here, you click on continue. So you move your face according to the arrow showing. Sometimes a little bit tricky, but just take your time. It's going to work perfectly fine. For some reasons, I don't know why my voice over during the course of this video was no longer playing, so I had to do a fresh voice over. So move your face up, move your face to the left, right, up, down, and then you are true. Then it will verify your identity, and once it's verified, tell you are all set. You can see my referral code popping up on the screen, so you can copy that and set aside. Then you click on continue to bring you back to the login or sign in dashboard. You enter in your code, that referral code that you copied at the beginning or created at the beginning, and you click on login. Then you enter your passcode, and if your phone uses a biometric, you can use your biometric also to log in. Next is going to bring this your username, and it's going to tell you that this is the method you use to create your account. Use the scan face method to create your account. So that is how it works. Next is going to scan your face again to log you in. Yes, scan your face to log you in. Make sure you're always looking at your camera of your phone so that it scans your face well. So once it scans your face successfully, you are logged in, and this is how the interface of Interlinks looks like. So on the first interface, the first dashboard. The next thing you want to do is you want to look at this information. You see this particular number that is here. These are the number of persons that are mining Interlinks at this particular time. And there's the number of people that are registered on Interlinks that are mining it. So you can see it's a very good project. So this is total number of ID that are mining Interlinks. Then these are the verified Interlinks ID. You can see that there. then you see the daily active members. Try to be among daily and the weekly active miners or members, just like this. So just log in every 4 hours to claim your Interlinks points. It is that simple. So you want to be among this weekly and daily active members. So if you do not scan your face and verify your email, you will not be verified. So you click on this home tab here, and it's going to bring you to this particular dashboard, and then you're going to click on this mine. And once you click on the mine, it's to load another dashboard for you, where you just need to come down and click on this mine ITLG, and it will bring another pop-up for you and to tell you that you have successfully mined 20 points, about 20 points. So you need to do this, come back here like every 4 hours to mine. So if I were you, I'll set my alarm so that I don't miss out on this mining opportunity. So every 4 hours you come down here and you mine. If you watch my video to this point, please do me a very big favor to subscribe. Leave me comments in the comment section. I always respond to comments in the comment section. So yeah, my next mining is going to be in the next 4 hours from this particular time. So you want to set your alarm so that you get yourself ready every time to come here to claim your points. This is awesome, trust me. This is a testnet project. You don't need to joke with this. So I'm back on the home page. You click on this profile icon here, it brings you here, and then you see that I've already verified that I'm human by using the face scan, and this face scan is one of the criteria you need to use to claim your airdrop. So say I should secure my accounts by linking my email address and a wallet. So before that, I want to click on this referral to set up our referral link. Yes, I need to set up a referral link. Now this is how it works. So you have a base human hash power, that is your HHP or your point, it's 1.0. yeah, then you mine every 4 hours and you get 20 ITLG. Then for your own direct referrals, your direct referral, for every direct referral, every person you refer that joins directly via your own referral link or put your referral code, you're going to be gaining 1000 ITLG per friend and plus 0.2 HHP, that is woman hash power points. Then every direct referral, you're going to earn 500 and you get also 0.1 human hash power. Then that is how it works. Then once you impute a referral code, that is, if I impute my referral code right now, I'm going to be getting 0.5 HHP. So because I just signed in with somebody's link or referral code, I need to put that person's referral code to get 0.5 HHP. Yes, this is how it works. If you don't put the person referral code, you're not going to get anything. So I'm going to come down here now, and I'm going to first of all create my own I'm going to first of all paste this person's referral code so I can earn my own 0.5 HHP. So you also need to put this referral code as displayed on your screen if you're just starting Interlinks to get your own 0.5 human hash power. So you click on the submit now. So once you come down and click on the submit now, it's going to take you to another dashboard. On this dashboard, you're supposed to paste the referral code you are seeing displayed on your screen. You just paste it here to get 0.5 human hash power. Yes, if you don't use a referral code, you're not going to get it, and it is not going to verify your account sign up. So you need to have a referral code. So the link to also join the Telegram channel is going to be in the description box of this video. So once you've pasted the referral code, then you come down and then you're going to click on submit, just as so. And once you click on submit, it is going to load the interface that will tell you submitted successfully, just like this, and you close it, and then you come back to the profile icon interface. And then the next thing we're going to do is you're going to link your email address, and after linking your email address, you will now also link your wallet. There's a trick to linking your wallet. Yes, trust me, if you don't do that trick, it's not going to work for you. So first, I'm going to link my email address, and then you can also add a bit of date of birth, gender, and all that. So you input your email, and then you click on get OTP. They're going to send you an OTP to your email. If you have been on this channel for a while, you know I usually say that my device does a multi-window feature. So I just popped up my Gmail app, and you can see that they already sent me my OTP. I'll click on it, and if you copy and you want to paste it, it's not going to work. You need to write out the code
one after the other. If you go and copy the code from your email address and try to paste it, it's not going to work. So you need to write it out and it's going to work. Email has been verified. You click on close.
Once you come here, make sure you click on this place that shows account. If you click on this account, it's going to bring you here. Then after entering your email and linking your email, you come here, you're going to link your wallet. You can use any wallet of your choice. I'm going to be using MetaMask, so I'm going to click on MetaMask and you just wait for it like this for it to load the connection and to take it to your MetaMask app, just as so. You don't need to do anything. You need to just wait for it to load and take it to your MetaMask. Now this particular app is very trickish, so what I did is I had to on my VPN for this to go smoothly. Without it, because I've tried this several times without VPN, it did not go as smooth as it say it's going. So if it does not work for you without VPN, then you need to add your put on your VPN. Now if you're on the Telegram platform, we have a very strong VPN on Telegram platform. All you need to do is just join the Telegram platform and download the VPN if you're using an Android device like myself, and it's going to work. It's very strong and it's completely free. So if you have your own VPN, you can use your own VPN, but I'm using the VPN and Telegram platform. Now if you do not do the face scan during registration, you are not going to be eligible for airdrop, because that's one of the criteria of being eligible for airdrop. So once you're on MetaMask, like, just wait for it. It's going to pop up this saying right now, and then it's going to do ask you for some ask you to authenticate it, the app, authenticate the connection, just like when you do your Telegram airdrop project and then they ask to connect a wallet and you connect a wallet. See, now this is what we are looking for. Now it is because my VPN is on, that's why this is easy for me for it to do this. So you just wait for it to connect like this. Without VPN, the app is going to kind of have some glitches. So you see, permission updated. I'm just going to wait for it to do its thing, then to take me directly back again to the Interlinks app or software. So right now you can see that the wallet is connected. Now this, I kept trying severally, and at the end of the day I ended up connecting my Trust wallet. I don't know, for some reasons MetaMask wasn't connecting, so I used my Trust wallet because I have a Trust wallet app and an account, so I use that. So if your MetaMask doesn't work, you can use Trust wallet, it will go. And for Trust wallet, I just did it once and it went through. Remember I said my VPN is on. Now remember I said make sure you do your face scan. If you use your Gmail or Telegram to sign up, make sure you come here and also do a face scan. This is one very big criteria for airdrop. Now that is all for now. Just stick to this channel because I'm going to be dropping some other airdrop projects that we've overlooked and that we've not taken seriously, and you do not want to miss that update. So remember to join via the link in the description box of this video. The referral link is there, the code is also there, or via the link in the Telegram channel. Do yourself a very big favor by joining the Telegram channel. Trust me, that is like home away from home. So that's all for me for now. Thank you so much for watching. See you in another subsequent update. Bye for now.